Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indah Nur Komariah. I am a chemistry student at the State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. Here I will discuss about B3WAS. Just go straight to the material. Definition: the word B3 is an acronym for toxic and hazardous materials. Therefore, the definition of B3WAS can be interpreted as a waste or waste nature and concentration content toxic and dangerous substance so that directly or indirectly can damage the environment, interfere with health, and threaten the survival of humans and other organisms. B3WAS can not only be generated from industrial activities, domestic activities also generate some of this type of waste. Some examples of B3WAS generated by domestic households include used air freshener, clothes bleach, laundry detergent, bathroom cleaner, glass or window cleaner, floor cleaner, wood polisher, oven cleaner, insect repellent, adhesive glue, hairspray, and battery. Types of hazardous waste. Hazardous waste from specific source. This waste does not come from the main process, but from equipment maintenance activities. Corrosion inhibitors, scald dissolving, washing, packing, and others. Hazardous waste from specific source. This waste come from an industrial process or main activity. B3 waste from other sources. This waste come from unexpected source such as expired product, leftover packing, spill, and product waste that does not meet specification. Natural and classification of hazardous waste. Waste in classified as hazardous and toxic material if it has certain property include explosive, easily oxidized, flammable, contain poison, is corrosive, causes irritation or causes health symptoms such as carcinogenic, mutagenic, and so on. Explosive waste is waste that at standard temperature and pressure can explode because it can produce gas with high temperature and pressure through simple physical or chemical reaction. This waste is very dangerous both during handling, transportation, and disposal because it can cause a large explosion unexpectedly. Are for example of B3 waste with explosive property, for example waste of explosive material and laboratory waste such as prussic acid. Easy to ignite or flammable. Waste that is highly flammable is waste that can burn due to contact with air, flame, water, or other material even at standard temperature and pressure. Example of flammable B3 waste include benzene solvent, toluene solvent, or acetone solvent from the paint, ink, metal cleaning, and chemical laboratory industry. Toxic or moderately toxic. Toxic waste is waste that has or contains substances that are toxic to humans or animals, causing poisoning, illness, or death either through respiratory contact, skin, or mouth. An example of this B3 was in agricultural waste such as pesticide waste. Dangerous or harmful. Hazardous waste is waste in solid, liquid, or gaseous phases which can cause health hazard to a certain degree through inhalation or oral contact. Corrosive or corrosive. Corrosive waste is waste that has the characteristic of being able to cause irritation to the skin. causing losing of cell having a pH 2 if acidic and pH 12.5 if alkaline. Example of B3 waste with corrosive characteristics include sulfuric acid residue used in the steel industry, acid was from battery and batteries, and sodium hydroxide cleaning was in the metal. Irritant was that can cause irritation is was that causes skin sensitization. Inflammation or cause respiratory irritation, dizziness, and drowsiness when inhaled. An example of this was formic acid produced from the rubber industry. Dangerous to the environment or dangerous to the environment. Waste with their characteristic is waste that can cause damage to the environment and ecosystem. For example, CVC or chlorofluorocarbon was produced from refrigeration machines. Carcinogenic, teratogenic, mutagenic. Carcinogenic waste is waste that can use cancer cells. Teratogenic waste is what affect the formation of embryos, while mutagenic waste is waste that can cause chromosome change. That's all I can say. If there is a wrong word, please forgive. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.